You are watching CVR English News Channel. This is Vasavi Kali presenting you today's a special edition of School Scan with special guests in our show today. And well, we are going to explore more about RIDSI Preschool today, the only European school in India which is providing early childhood education, preschool learning, lab activities to children in playgroup, nursery to KG2. Well, today is all about RIDSI School. Here I'm introducing to two great personalities. One is Mr. Mr. Gupta, the CEO of Global and Director, RIDSI Group Europe. And second, we have Ms. Nilima joining us, the advisor of the RIDSI School, Educational and Residential Schools India. And she's also an entrepreneur. Thank you both of you to join us in our special show today.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Namaste.
Hi,
Well, so how are you both doing?
Yeah, fine.
great.
Well, so when we discuss something more about schools and education in our schools can every day, we are here set to join with Eminal Gupta today to focus something more about interesting school education in our lives. Well, before we begin, I would like to brief about Mr. Minal Gupta, the person of the decade 2020 and person of the year 2019. And also, he achieved a pocket full of awards from different countries in his entire livelihood, which also includes the prestigious title, the most prestigious business award in the world. Our RIDSI School has a presence in India and abroad, and this testimony to Gupta's commitment to quality education.
We thank Techmindra for giving an opportunity to perform on the stage. We are the only preschool in the country to offer gymnastics in robotics at the age of 1.5 years. We got Nobel Prize in 2014. Only one preschool in the world in education sector to get Nobel Prize in Sweden. Last year we got 2019 two European Business Awards in competition with 150,000 companies. The jury is from former Prime Minister and Government. So thanks a lot. Thank you so much for joining.
Well, that's how we see you on screen just now. And to view this major award of Mr. Minal Gupta, he achieved Oman Sultan Award for Excellence in Leadership and Infrastructure 2012. And he also achieved the Decade Person for 2020, and also he's the Person for 2019. And that's a great achievement. You have already won many hearts, and you're being an entrepreneur. How do you feel? And can you tell something about you and your experience in your lifetime?
Yeah, it's a great to be an entrepreneur, and it's my passion in my life to be a successful entrepreneur, and I would like to contribute something to our own country and our own state people through all the experience, knowledge and exposure which we gained across the globe in last 17 years in working with 100 countries. I think it's a great honor to be an entrepreneur to serve our own country, India.
Well, that's amazing. Ma'am, how about you, and how do you do? How did you enter this RIDSI school, and what is your experience with it?
RIDSI School was something I just came across N.R. Gupta in some conference. We both were receiving awards on the same stage. Then he was explaining how the RIDSI school and the base and everything. Then I said, this is the school for entire India, I mean, people should come on board with this school. They have lot of new things and coming up on board. Neurosciences, then they have preschool education. Now they come up with secondary education. And they are the first school, I think, with Prime Minister curriculum, which has been a latest trend now. So that's how I'm on board, Rasini, with Bridzi School.
Well, that's really amazing. Can you both please explain something about Bridzi School?
Yeah, actually we are a G group of companies. We have started in Italy in 2019. We are registered in Italian Chamber of Commerce. We have our presence in Italy, Germany, Romania as well as Spain. In G group of companies, we are operating in education, hospitality, film facility management as well as infrastructure. And we work with Japanese and Korean films as well for last 10 years, and the great Bahubali. So we only give all the location from here from our company, My School Italy.
That's amazing. That's really amazing.
And we worked we are honored to work for this Bold and Beautiful series as well. And facility management also, we have provided so many facilities there for Asian country companies there, and for example, if someone wants to establish their companies in 56 countries of Europe, Africa and Middle East, we can help them to set up their companies at a minimal cost. So in India also, we are the fastest growing company, and
so you are also a person for Decade and also a person for 2019 year. So how was your experience and how did it happen and possible with you, and what were your efforts, and also what were your efforts in lifting the Bridzi School up internationally?
see, Sachin Tendulkar is my idol from my childhood, and I have been passionate after reading about Swami Vivekananda's teaching when I was engineering and all. My uncle was co-scientist with Dr. Abdul Kalam. It's passion and vision of my parents to see me as the best in the world for right from my childhood and all. So, and other than my parents, my sister and my wife also motivated and supported me a lot to receive what I am. Then after that, my founder and director, Dr. Aparna, mentored, guided and helped to become a world-class entrepreneur as well. So my passion is to show that India is not only good in IT, we are best in the world as well as entrepreneurs. Why don't we produce 100 BBAs in this country or 200 Warren Buffett? Indian can do anything in the world. We are the most smartest people in the world. Up to 10th class I was in the Telugu medium in a government school and all, but my determination and perseverance to be the number one in the world made me as a situation with the 20 years of consistent effort.
Well, ma'am, can you know or tell us something about Bridzi education system and how it is compliant with the new education policy of India?
Yeah, they have come up with a program called NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming, and they have a curriculum called Decant. This is the first of its kind, which is in trend now, and then mostly they concentrate on stress-free and bagless education, which is really nice. Child learning and child development from the starting. They have fine motor skills and cognitive, and they have a holistic compliance to whatever they're teaching. So backless means it's really a backless. They will not go back home with any heavy things on their back last week. So that's how we have developed Bridzi.
Well, that's amazing. So is Bridzi building any ecosystem in education sector currently?
We are building an ecosystem of teachers, parents and children, because the teachers are trained hired by us, and we are giving a 250 hours Cambridge teachers training, and parents also learning partner for our children and all. So we are building an ecosystem where the children get the 360 degrees holistic approach to give the development, and 0 to 7 years is the best age for the mind to grasp the things and also. So we are developing the gross motor skills, fine motor skills through various activities of neuroscience based activities in our school.
Well, it's been some time the primary education and international schools are already into India. And then, while RIDSI has taken around 4 long years to get into the sector.
Yeah, we are already in the preschool education for last 4 years. As our policy, we do well research across the globe before we introduce any system or any concept in our system. So we did well research for 4 years regarding the Indian education system, and we developed all the methodologies, teaching and training methodology, operational manual, teachers training manual. And then now we entered after a very thorough preparation, because we want to do justice and 100% commitment in whatever we are offering, and we would like to give it a European standards. So we started all this research to offer this residential schools 2-3 years before, and now we are coming up because of the corona. In 2021 we are going to come up with the chain of residential school across pan-India.
Well, what it is actually, how much is the education playing a role in current scenario, and how much is the sector where you're getting the salaried people coming on board. So there are a lot of things which stands right from the base. True. So RIDSI school is giving us the base foundation for parents as well as the kids for tomorrow future. That is, actually, if you get going with globalization, India has got only 2% of them which has got employment. They can reach to that stage. True. When they go and attend interview, what is that they're coming up with output? Either the basics is wrong, or the English is wrong, or the teaching methodology is wrong. They rectify everything and then go. So this is what we don't want in RIDSI. So RIDSI school is totally a different concept where kids and mothers will definitely be happy with our curriculum and the methodology of teaching.
Well, that's amazing. When as we were discussing about the concepts, we also heard something called neuroscience. So is RIDSI anyway associated with all these concepts?
Yes. Neuroscience is nothing but your right brain mapping is done. So this is what you are highlighting your right brain, you're enhancing it. For a kid to learn thoroughly, his memory skills are increased because of that, his linguistic skills are increased because of that. So neurosciences is something very new which we have introduced right from the preschool. So that means a kid who ends up by 1.5 to 2 years old will come up excel in every stage of life. Then we also have Vedic math, a lot of things which are involved last week.
So to add to her point, see, our curriculum started at the age of 1.5 years, and through this neuroscience, slow learners will be converted into fast learners, backbenchers also converted. And we have, for example, we have one kid from Andhra Pradesh, and he's very poor in even all the grammar, the communication, everything and all. By using this neuroscience technology, techniques and all, he became the best student of the class. For example, we have played one video just now when you start the program, and one of the kid is there in that one because of the neuroscience practice. Within just 3 to 6 months, it will try to optimize your brain efficiency and effectiveness to deliver more, and we broke around 10 world records also through this neuroscience concept, and we are the only school in the world who is giving a curriculum of those of 1.5 years.
That's amazing. How is it possible to train kids of 1-year-old age? So what kind of teaching techniques you adopt, and who are our teachers? So are they specially trained or coming in new or something like that?
As our founder, Dr. Aparna Valluru, she's a Nobel Prize winner, and she received Nobel Prize in 2014 from the Nobel founder in recognition of outstanding research of 32 years in neuroscience education. And she has published thousands of research papers as well, and she has declared as the most humanitarian person of the year by Guinness Book in 2019, and she became the first non-British in the world to be the Youth Queen Award for topping all UK University, and our founder has done doctorate in child psychology. So it is her passion and vision and mission to give world-class education to every children of the country. They have to come to this country, and she developed this curriculum with a lot of pain effort for more than 3 decades of effort. And she was IT consultant for JRC as well. And she did her master's from Cambridge University. So all this expertise together, years of efforts, and all come out with this neuroscience teaching and training methodology. And Riji became the first NLP school in the world to launch. So far, NLP has been used only in the marketing, but Dr. Aparna already brought that in preschool sector as well as now. She's launching it as a first neuroscience Riji Research School Indian history also. We are coming up in June 2021 across Pan India.
Well, that's amazing to know. We're really thankful for Dr. Aparna for providing the European education for the Indian students and across Pan-India. Well, as being a RIDSI as a group, the founder, and you are the CEO of the RIDSI group of India, and you have been credited with many awards also. So can you please let us, our audience, know what kind of effort you have put in and the main majority highlights of the RIDSI school for Indian students especially?
See, we got Best MSME Award in 2019 in Delhi, and we got the Best Curriculum Award for DIDAC Awards also in 6 categories. This year we have been selected as the Iconic Brand of the Year. We are the only company in the world who was recognized in India as well as Europe. For example, we got the Nobel, our founder got the Nobel Prize in 2014, and our company got 2 European Business Awards in competition with 150,000 companies and in Europe. So no company in Indian history has been recognized in India as well as Europe, because we have to understand that in Europe, when they have given the award of European Business Award, the most prestigious award in the world, they have seen our 10 years track record, our system, process, procedure, SOP, everything, and at the level of President and Prime Minister of European Union, the award process is 1 year, and they have selected us, means they selected as national winner of Italy. They have given once to watch award also, because this, you know that Italy is best in the world for the preschool education, and we have been selected as a national winner. That shows our years of commitment, and you know, in the award also they mentioned clearly in recognition of innovation, ethics and success. So we maintain 100% honesty, integrity, ethics and values, as well as transparency in all of our operations. We are the only company in India who has never compromised on ethics in preschool education, and even any time for last 10 years, either in Europe or in India, we try to give a European standard education and to all the parents and children.
Well, that's really amazing. And gymnastics and robotics are also a part of RIDSI curriculum. Can you tell us about how do you go about this in your schools?
RIDSI School is the first school in the world who offer gymnastics at age of 1.5 years. This is the Olympics curriculum, and our passion is to bring more Olympians and Olympic medals to the country in the coming years, because as a nation of 1.3 billion, still we got our medal in Olympics in gymnastics and all. But by doing this gymnastics also, children will build their muscles as well, and they will be active, physically active, mentally active. As we told, it is a holistic approach, and so that's why we have introduced gymnastics, and we have introduced robotics also from K1 onwards. So we are the only school in Indian history to offer gymnastics and robotics in preschool level, and even in our residential schools also we are going ahead with the gymnastics, robotics and augmented reality as well.
Well, Ms. Nilima, do you have anything to add on to?
Yeah, see, when you talk about gymnastics, it is gross motor skills which we are, particularly we are enhancing in the kids. Whereas robotics, it is precision with fine motor skills. So what I said priorly also, it is holistic approach. So, and then same thing which is coming up with our residential school also. And did you notice one thing, Vasmi, in the RIDSI school logo, what is the mascot? Did you?
Yes.
So it's called Mr. RIDSI.
Okay,
So,
that's amazing.
yeah. Why do we have Mr. RIDSI? Who is he?
Who is he?
He is a beaver.
Okay,
So do you know anything about beaver?
not really.
Yeah,
Can you-
beaver is something which always keeps working. always keep enhancing, always keep connecting things. Okay, so that's why we have selected beaver as the mascot. If Gupta Garu can add up some more for
Points
Mr.
to it.
Yes, Mr. Reddy.
Actually, Mr. G is just Scottish beaver. Beavers means very industrious and hardworking. We want all our Rizikis to be champions and with hardworking, energetic and great leaders and entrepreneurs this country has ever produced. And in addition to this, we would like to mention you that all the characters are, for example, if you see, this is our book, you can see our characters and all. There, this particular things is all our research. 32 years research, it is our own characters, 12 characters developed through our own European team research and development.
Nothing less than
And this is
Walt
already,
Disney, nothing less than Walt Disney.
this
hero.
is already patented to us and all this thing.
Yeah,
This
characters.
innovation definitely makes sure that kids attract to your school. And
Definitely. See, these are all characters which are on the wall. So if you come to our school to see the interiors, they are beautifully framed on the walls, beautifully designed on the walls, painting. You know, and the kids would love that colorful environment. You know.
That's true.
And definitely, you should visit Vasavi once to visit the school. Yes.
definitely, I wish to. I'm
See,
definitely about it.
whatever is there on the walls and tables and textbooks, it is the same integrated way of neuroscience based learning, which makes child more interesting to learn more faster, because a child learn things in various ways. So everything whatever you see in Rizji is out of box thinking with a lot of innovation, passion and creativity in every team member from Europe and many country nationalities under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Aparna Valluru built it as a world class
Classrooms and all.
yeah.
Well, as we're talking about the classrooms, in general, as this year we are affected with the coronavirus and currently the traditional classrooms are not running up. So how are we conducting the classes? Do we have any online classes?
Yeah, we are doing online classes across Pan India for our brand school as well as all our franchises. We never rested even in Corona. There is no lockdown. Our team is continuously working across the Pan India.
Well, that's amazing. And
Do you know this thing also that we have a mobile app?
wow,
for Rizzi,
that's
yes,
amazing.
and which includes all the features like weekly curriculum and then attendance, what's happening in the school, it's recorded, and then we send the daily homeworks,
Okay.
everything. I mean, whatever happened in the school has to be again reinforced to the parents also. So everything can be taken care on mobile app. Mobile app also has this your rhymes, extracurricular, everything. I mean, the best of the day. So many things we do it on the mobile app.
That's amazing. And then I just would like to know if the Rizzi school is only for the day scholars or do we have any residential campus for kids who can reside?
We have residential campus also were coming up for year academic year 2021 because this is the need of the hour. For example, even during Corona also, in our company, we are very proud to say that we don't have a single Corona case. We don't have a cough and thing or fever for any of our staff or something we manage because we follow the world's best safety systems and even we got training from US and all to implement the most proactive and advanced safety systems in the world and all. So because, for example, if you are a day scholar, there is a lot of chance for the contamination if one kid is coming to a day scholar school, all other teachers may be affected and all. But here, that's why Rizzi come up with a solution for everyone across Pan India because we are sealing all the students and teachers inside the residential campus with a proper shield and we don't allow anyone to come inside our campus as well, and if something has to come, they have to hand it over to the watchman. And in addition to that, we have a 24/7 doctor, psychologist, student counselor, nurse also in the campus available, and we are monitoring all the students' activities minute to minute through 24/7 monitoring system. We have education management system also, and we are coming with the biometric system for each and every room, where if a student is late by 10 minutes, alarm will buzz to the master control room. So with all these 100% proactive measures and first of its kind in the world, so we make sure that the campus is 100% safe and secure, and if you do the comparative analysis with the day scholar and residential, I hope you agree with this concept of being proactive 24 hours, which is in the Reggie's blood, will be the permanent solution for this pandemic or even in the future, because we are going to give the access to the parents every month once, and as well as a tab will be given to every student so that they can talk to their parents every day. And we are providing very high nutritious food as well to keep the immunity at very higher levels, to see that they don't get any diseases or something. And this is like most of the parents feel that Reggie is a second home for them, for their children.
That's amazing. So, and also, like, is it only for the pre-primary school kids, or are we also developing any high school education for
secondary
the
education. This school,
year.
residential school is only for that. 2021
Okay.
we are coming up June. So admissions have already started. Parents can enroll for these admissions. You can find it is online, what you call the education system, how it is, and then forms and everything can be online. They can come on board now for the
That's amazing.
So this G Residential School we are offering from class 1 to class 10 for academic year 2021, and viewers, you can see the website which is scrolling, www.regischool.com, regarding our brand and preschool, www.vvr-regi.com, which can give you all information regarding the India's first of its kind neuroscience based Regi Residential School. And there is a phone number also given from the Regi brand, and viewers, you can call that number 24/7 anytime to know more detail about this thing. We have a lot of admission inquiries already done from IT companies, entrepreneurs, NRIs, and many more people are approaching us to put their children with us. And even you can search in YouTube with Regi School brand channel, where you can see all our videos, and we are in Facebook as well with Regi Schools. To know more information about our brand, please go through that.
Well, that's really amazing to join with a fantastic team of India and who are exploring across the globe. And getting one of the European school to India is such a great achievement. I would like to congratulate both of you for the same. And here we get to have a caller to, hello?
Hello.
Yes, hello. We are with Mr. Emanuel Gupta and Ms. Nilima.
Yeah.
And if you have any queries, you can directly ask them here in our show.
Yeah, okay, sure. Hello. Yeah, hello, Gupta ji.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Well, I have a question for you.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
How European education will help pre-primary students?
Yeah, European education, it's not European education, madam, it's European curriculum, because this European curriculum was developed with billions of dollar investments, and it was successfully implemented in all European countries of 56 countries for last 10 years. It will help you to develop gross motor skills, fine motor skills in your kid. And if you are, because from 0 to 7 years is the maximum development happen in a kid. So in our European curriculum, in Regi, we start the curriculum at the age of 1.5 years. So we do the all-round development of the kid through various activities, robotics, gymnastics, and neuroscience based. We give our worksheets and daily lesson plan from Europe and all. So it will develop your pre-math skill, creative skills, innovative skills of your kid, and it makes you more stronger for your primary education. Because in India, if you see, there is no proper curriculum at all for the preschool. So this is already a proven curriculum, and which is proven to be very effective for them. It will make you very good in English pronunciation, handwriting, and so many things. Also, we are doing art and craft activities, and it will develop the child brain in 360 degrees.
So, if you don't mind, can I ask you one thing?
Yeah.
So, how can we differentiate the curriculum from Indian curriculum and the European curriculum? So, what is the minor differences? If you can explain our audience.
See, European curriculum deals with the child development, how to develop the child, and for example, we are very particular that from 1.5 years to 7 years we start teaching lessons, and there is a proven methodology as per neuroscience and all. But in India, where is the authentication for all the preschools, whoever is teaching there in India? Is there any criteria? or is there any methodology, is there any teachers training? For example, in our European methodology, we give 250 hours Cambridge teachers training to all the teachers for a period of 2 years, and world's best neuroscience techniques used to make the children, whatever is interesting for the children, we are teaching. For example, right from the ambience to the chair to the seat to the books, even the books also, RISG has its own publications, and we are teaching all the European curriculum and all. So this totally with the child development focus we have developed. But when it is coming to the India, there is no curriculum at all, then where is the question of development? So the most important phase of a child is not going for any development, because there is no proper curriculum here given to the child. There is no proper attention and care given to them. That is the reason why even most of the children is having so many psychological disorders, and all, everybody is following their own curriculum. It cannot be. There is only one Cambridge University in the world. You can take a stand. Everybody cannot make their own university in their own gully. Like preschool also, there must be some criteria they have to follow. There must be some scientific evidence. For example, RISG. I will explain your question. RISG has done 32 years research. Okay, Dr. Aparna published thousands of research papers across the world in international conferences. That means her concepts all been proven, validated, accepted by international experts, and it has been implemented in Europe for 56 countries in last 10 years. So it's a proven methodology, so we are bringing it here, and we have 100% success track record. The best testimonial is the first video played in this particular program, where 3-year-old kid is performing in front of Tech Mahindra. Where in Indian history, show me one example where 3-year kid going and doing any, without any fear, without any hesitation, and they're so energetic, and you can see the energy level of our kids. Sometimes when we do our carpe diem, kids come at morning 6:30 and up to evening 4:30 also, they have the same energy levels. So this is all the real testimony, the energy level, the confidence level, the exposure and the experience, and they are doing without any supervision, and how it is possible for a 3-year kid or 1.5-year kid to do gymnastics and all. So this, we have to follow the evidence, we have to follow by the facts which we are already proved to the world, that we are the best in the world. That is the reason why we have got 2 European Business Award in competitions, 150,000 companies in cross-sector competition.
Well, that's really amazing to know something more, a new thing where a 1-year kid could learn something and do something amazing. So our regular school scan caller is joining us to know something more about RISG School. Can we connect to the caller, please? Hello?
Hello.
We are here with Aminar Gupta Garu and Ms. Nilima Garu. You can talk to the both of the guests directly.
Thank you. I have a query for the RISG group.
Yes.
Yeah, I want to know what exactly is this neuroscience education and what is its uniqueness?
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. This
Good afternoon, sir.
neuroscience is dealing with development of your left brain as right brain, and even it will help you to optimize the brain efficiency and effectiveness through various activities. Because as a children, you cannot directly communicate and made him learn directly. So through various activities like arts and craft, gymnastics, robotics, augmented reality, and all using neuroscience based techniques, the efficiency and effectiveness of a children can be enhanced more than the normal thing. For example, what a normal concept children learning in 8 hours, in neuroscience we can get it done in 4 hours. So this is optimization of resources and brain of a child, which can help him to break more records and become Olympic champion and become create a world record and all, because it has to be done in a very systematic manner, and we are very much expertise, and we are very professional in doing this for last 10 years across the globe in Europe as well as India. So.
Well, sir, do we have any other queries to ask Aminar Gupta Garu? Well, that's amazing to join RISG group, and RISG kids are making amazing in the age of 1 year. So, like how kids are feeling? Do we have any experiences of kids and the parents coming down to you or sharing their happiness?
Vasi, I'll tell you something. They need not come back to you. We have
Okay.
CCTV cameras,
Mhm.
which they can directly, we give the feed, live feed to them.
Amazing. That's
So
really
that's
an
something
amazing
very
thing.
nice and not been there in any other school.
That's
We are
true.
the first
That's
of its
really
kind
true.
giving that CCTV footage feed live.
Well,
And to add more this thing, children don't want to go to their home and they like our ambience more and more and they feel it like a second home. And even parents who has started with us continued for 4 years education. And most of our admissions coming through the parents because they are recommending and referring to their friends and all. And they are very much satisfied because we are 100% transparent and we are giving everything 24/7 through live TV access to the parents wherever they are in the world and all. So we have 100% satisfaction from all of our parents for this education. Because of this reason only, QCity, we are the official partners, and this month we will launch in QCity our facility in 3,500 square feet area. Tech Mahindra already we launched in their global headquarters of Noida, and many more centers also going to come up. And we are an alliance partner with ICICI Bank, and in their website you can find the name of Richie, and we are partner with Telangana government, Himachal government, and India's first preschool in government sector also we did it in government of Telangana, and we are collaborated with many more companies, Religare and many more IT companies as well.
So how many schools do you have in India?
how many do we have RITSI campuses in India and in Hyderabad? I just
More
would
than
like to know.
100.
Wow.
Pan India.
That's amazing count. So, where we can actually join our kids nearby in Hyderabad? What is the best campus you prefer?
Now we're coming at QCity, that's the best campus which is with world class.
Can we know something about the application procedure, eligibility and all, if you have any
See,
restrictions?
Through application procedure and all, as we have given the phone number and all, you can call them for this information. And in our vvrg.com also we have given all the forms and procedures to apply this thing and all. Our team will ready to help them and all. They can go to our website, and in our website also we have given all the registers, our phone numbers and all.
Well, that's amazing. So, is the school only expanded with the kids who are more into this play group, or do we have any other expansions further? And if we expand for the secondary and level schools, what kind of activities do we train for the students in the RITSI group? So do we have like this neuroscience can be implied to all the groups?
Yes,
Or
it would be for secondary education also. And mostly we want to develop more on the gross motor skills, as we said. We want to develop them on the Olympic basis.
oh,
Yeah.
amazing.
So we have a full set ready. If you can actually, Vasavi, if you can play the video of the new school which is coming up, and definitely you would understand what is the kind of ground and what is the kind of world-class amenities we are giving in the school, classrooms, the corridors, the spick and span, the kitchen, everything you would understand.
Well, that's amazing even.
We have
Yeah.
collaborated with Indian Olympic Association to send our kids for the Olympics in coming years, as well as shooting, and we are going to produce the national champions, and we are going to send our children for the international Olympiads, mathematics competition, and all these things and all. It is possible. In the preschool level, we are offering from playgroup, nursery, K1, K2 and all. In the primary school, class 1 to class 10, our mission is KG to PG. And next year we are going to come up with 11th and 12th. So because why we are coming with this so much expansion is parents putting a lot of pressure on us to come, and they don't want to send their kids to other
Some other
schools.
school.
So because of that pressure, we come out with so many residential schools, and last month itself we have opportunities to collaborate from 5 countries: Belgium, Australia, Canada, Singapore, Malaysia, and even for the residential school across pan India. So many people are coming forward to collaborate with us in Tirupati, Visakhapatnam, Kurnool, and different parts of India.
Well,
And even we are collaborated with Care and Share, one NGO from last 30 years, and giving the education with support from Italians and all. Reggie is doing a lot of philanthropic work as well, and we have a Reggie Foundation as well. We have done during Corona also poor children education in Rajasthan as well. And our founder has done a lot of philanthropy in 60 countries in collaboration with United Nations and Red Cross as well
well,
for last
amazing.
10 years.
So as the group RITSI is collaborating with n number of countries, the education system and the policies would be different. So how both of you are handling the education policies? And before knowing the education policies of the RITSI group, shall we take a caller? Hello?
Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yes. I was
Yes, sir.
watching I'm Tapandas from Hyderabad. So I was watching your program. You have a lot of things for the parents, students, everything. Your collaborations and everything. What I heard. Post-COVID, the scenario is going to be very different and difficult.
True.
So for that, what are the policy changes that your school or how RITSI is following the policy changes or would be following the policy changes post-COVID scenario?
Exactly.
And will that benefit the students somehow?
Yes. So the caller is also on the same line. So we have a different diverse educational policies too. So how RITSI school is trying to implement these new policies along with the government of India education sector's restrictions and also the cap which they are providing for the school management.
here-
So how you handle it?
Here in this case, post-COVID, we done extensive research of best safety systems in the world, and we are coming with 100% practice system here. First point, we are collaborating with Singapore-based MNC S10. So they are going to do the sanitization of the campus every day, and there we are going to keep on monitoring every child 24/7 through CCTV camera and our education management system. Even myself involved in breaking 10 world records where we have completed 1 crore hour without last time injury in much more worse situation than COVID, where poisonous gases kill you in 2 to 3 minutes period of time and all. So all these safety systems were integrated into this RITSI education system there in our new residential campus, which makes you as a 100% security and safety for your child, because as we explained to you that if you are putting as a day scholar, more risk is there. We are shielding the campus now. All teachers, everybody is inside the campus only. The risk is minimized, and we will be the best option. And one more thing, we are hiring the teachers from India as well as across the globe as well, and we are giving a 250 hours teachers training for our teachers with our well-trained, well-qualified, award-winner team can take care of your child more than anybody else. So this is our passion, vision to take care of your child, and we are a second home. Please don't worry and come and see our campus, then you will understand. Come for a visit, because this is a very big question. We can give you in detail explanation in our Hafizpet office also. Please call the phone number for the appointment so that we can explain you further in depth for this question.
The caller definitely will have so many questions on mind, because even as a mother, if they want us to send us kids to school every day, commute, so what all different stages they would have a pandemic affecting them, right from the boarding the bus till they come back. How many people they would meet, how many people they hug, how many people they play with. So all this is curtailed in a residential school. We are coming up with so many amenities where everyone is in-house. So once they are in-house, there is no contact with outside. So definitely we are curtailing whatever he was asking, so we are curtailing everything. So sanitization is something which everyone would take care, but basically what we want to come out to tell is residential is always better than day commute.
That's true. That's really true.
I hope he got the answer what he was
Yes.
looking for.
So all the viewers, you all can happily join your kids to RITSI school, and they are here to take care of your kid with all the love and also all the safety measures in the COVID times. Well, RITSI school curriculum is the backbone of RITSI school, and the basic principle of the curriculum is child development and child learning. They believe in stress-free learning. Our children are not forced to learn, but encouraged to participate and are involved in various sensory, exploratory and interesting activities to foster their holistic development. And this is with me all about RITSI school. And thank you so much for joining both of you today. As we came to wrap, would you like to share any of your final words to our audience?
Thank you so much for a valuable opportunity to you and Miss Anisha. And our mission is to give world-class education to every child of this country, and we want RITSI, the synonym of education, is our vision. And we kindly, our founder vision is to, she came all the way from Europe to give a world-class education and to see that India in the top of the world. So we kindly request you to partner with us, collaborate with us, support us to reach our Vishwa Bharat mission to see India on the top of the world through world-class education efforts which we are putting. Coronas will come and go, but the passion, perseverance, determination, it will stand forever. So let us collaborate and win together.
Well, ma'am, you also explored so much of-
I was wondering to tell you something.
Yes.
Other day when I was talking to the founder, Dr. Aparna, I was telling every second house should consider RIDZI. But her mission was, no, Nilima, it's not every second house, it's every house should consider RIDZI. So I would also definitely say everyone, come, explore it, find out what all different opportunities you can have with RIDZI. Not only admissions, you can also collaborate with RIDZI for the business opportunity, wherein a mother sitting at home can become a preschooler, to take up as a this thing. Then you can also come up with various ideologies for RIDZI also. We are open for everything, but basically come, visit us, learn. That's it.
Amazing. Well, this is amazing conversation with Mr. Gupta and also Ms. with Nilima, and we'll get back to you in our other episode of School Scan. Stay tuned with CBR English with a lot more developing of education updates.
In spite of all